Ito na.
Yes, so we're going to eat the ensaymada. I'm only having a quarter. And then my granddaughter having half. It's the net ensaymada. Here, Paula. This is mine.
Pizza.
This is yours. See? Yummy. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yummy. Sige, kahit diabetic, kain. Taggat ulo. Or tagtangkin ulo na. Damit ti agas. Mga tayo nagimas. Makapaadik na ito eh. Net ensaymada. Gumatang kayo na. Nibas. Right, Paula? Tell them masarap.
Masarap. Busog. Salamat.
See you. Okay, bye for now. Thank you.